Hi, I'm Neil with Covers and Camo, Custom Seat Covers. Today we're checking out the 2017 Toyota Tundra with the charcoal ostrich simulated leather insert and the Kryptek raid trim out of the 600 denier material. Just a great looking set. So let's check these out. Okay, so this is the Kryptek raid trim with the charcoal ostrich insert. So that charcoal ostrich, that's a simulated leather there, and looks nice. So there's the Kryptek raid hard console lid cover there in between the seats there. Looks nice there, and matching up there on the front row, and we're going to see the back row soon here matched up as well. So matching headrest covers. Now this Tundra has some high shoulders on it, as you can see, so that can be a tough one for if you have a universal fit cover to get that to fit. So it's custom fits the way you just got to go on these. And again, so real durable trim material around the outside. This is again the Kryptek raid here, and I'm just gonna pop that headrest up so you can see how nice those finish out right there. So there's the pre-cut out hole right there, where what you do is you just pop that over those headrest pieces and trims out really nice, just like that right there. So anyhow, looked really good on there. Again, that's the Kryptek raid trim, simulated leather, charcoal ostrich insert. The trim is made out of a 600 denier, water resistant material, and so going to be nice and durable covers for this customer here. Now, foam backing on the back side and bottom of these covers, that gives it such a better body to the cover. About a ½ inch of foam backing there. That horizontal sewing makes it look a lot more like a seat. There, looks good. Up there, here is the driver's side molly pocket. The back side of the pocket is sewn on to the cover right there, and then this opens up into a pocket right there where you could put in pistol, knives, other gear on the inside of it, and then it has molly webbing on the outside. Then you can hook on different molly webbing accessories there. So we're going to check out the back seats now, see how these looked here. And before we do that, let's actually look at these the back side of the front covers. So no, we didn't end up doing any rear pockets on these. We just left it clean there on the back side. That way it just just cleaned out really nice right there. They have a dog in here every now and then, so they mainly wanted to get the seats covered, get things protected on there. So here we have the 60-40 split back row. So as you can see, there's the 40 section over there, and then here's the 60 section, so that's the larger section right there. There's 3 headrests on it, so it's going to have three headrest covers there, and then a large armrest cup holder there in the middle as well. So anyhow, that will fold up. So as you can see on this Tundra, on this pattern, actually you get a full kind of coverage pocket on the inside of that. So that stays covered there, and then you have that armrest covered as well, and even a little cutout there for the tab to come out. That way you can push it in and then be able to pull that back out when you're ready to pull it back out. The headrests trimmed out really nice as well back here. Same deal around these headrest posts. There's going to be a little cutout, so then you can just pop that over, and then it just trims out really nice right there. Another little feature here on the sides is around this pull tab, or this release tab, so that you can still use that. Now, so there's the cutout right there, so you can still use that there, and just a nice looking cutout around it. There's the underside of the cover as well, so you get full coverage underneath that, which is really nice. That way if you have these seats up, you're using this more for storage back here, then that's staying clean right there. This material, the 600 denier material, is really easy to clean. It's water resistant, but let's say you do get it kind of muddy, or the dog jumps in, it's kind of muddy, that back there just wipes off really easily. I like the camouflages myself just because they're easier to clean, and well, they don't show as much dirt. That's the main thing. So I definitely like those for that reason. So anyhow, back seats turned out really nice there. Again, front seats turned out really good on this 2017 Toyota Tundra. Great looking set. Kryptek Raid trim, charcoal Ostrich insert with the simulated leather middle section there. Just looked really good. Thanks so much for watching. This has been Neil here with Covers and Camo. See more at coversandcamo.com. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this and get notifications as we continue to do more vehicles. Again, feel free to give us a call or see more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks so much.